Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you guys with another cheap luxury unboxing. This is from the brand Hermes. I had the discipline to wait until I got to you guys to show you this unboxing, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into it without further ado here. Why waste your time? We know why you're here. So this is the packaging that I have. My shipping address and everything's on the other side of this, which is why I have it not facing the camera. So we're gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Long sleeve, so I imagine other things could probably fit into it too. And then we pull it out, and we've got a nice nondescript white box. Gonna go ahead and open that up. Kind of hoping for a little bit more as far as this box, especially because it was wrapped up in that other box, but whatever, maybe there's a nice surprise inside. And open it up, and okay, see, that's what I was looking for. And as we open it up, here is our packaging. Okay, so here's the inside of the box from Hermes, and then the classic orange Hermes box wrapped up like a gift here. All right, very nice. But yeah, as you can see, it's wrapped beautifully, tiny. I'm not gonna lie to you, I was expecting for this to be way bigger, so the fact that it's this small is a little disturbing. There was this card as well with the Hermes logo on it. Go ahead and open this up. I was expecting this to be way bigger. I'm a little disappointed. So yeah, we get our ribbon off here. Got this box. And very nicely wrapped. Oh, this is way smaller than I expected it to be. Oh, this is ridiculous. I feel catfished. Here is our item here inside this box. For perspective, child, this was like a nesting doll. Look. So this is the box. This is the box, and it was wrapped up in that. But anyway, I was expecting for this to be way bigger. So then we open this up here. What is this? This is the... What the hell? What is this, an ad for their fragrances? Yeah, I'm not sure why this was in the package. Lavender Luscious, like, is there fragrance in here? No. What was the point of putting this fragrance insert in here? So yeah, go ahead and open up this packaging. I mean, Hermes did package it well, but it's effing tiny, and when you saw it on the website, it looked way bigger than this. Oh wow, this, okay now this is the item, which is an agenda refill, and I'm guessing this is like an agenda refill for a wallet, because this is microscopic, let me tell you. So we take our little plastic sleeve off, and yeah, here it is. And I mean, it's labeled Hermes. Wow, this is like the first time I can say that I'm like, really? And then yeah, it's a little notebook. It's the world's tiniest damn notebook. I mean, at least the backing is metal, I guess, but this is for sure the first time that I can say that I'm super disappointed. The packaging is beautiful. You get that nice experience of like having it boxed up and bowed up like a present. But I was expecting for this to at least be the size of the damn box. And look at how big it is compared to the box. Really? Really? I couldn't get more notebook than this? Like, is this something anyone needs? I mean, if I had a clutch bag, I could definitely throw this in and like sketch on the go, I guess. This is probably the first thing. Well, it isn't the first thing, actually. I have another video coming where I'm kind of let down by the item. Yeah, this is freaking microscopic. I have no words. They all can't be winners, let me just say. And yeah, I'm kind of just like, really, Hermes? Really? You have this on your website. If I remember correctly, I paid about 30 bucks for this. This is not worth $30 at all. Unless this is like solid gold edging here, you know, unless that part's like solid gold, I can't justify this being $30. This small notebook of blank pages. Like, what's this metal? Palladium? Like, is there something special about it? I'm at a loss. And then they threw in this like insert for a spray that's not in here. I mean, was it supposed to have like a fragrance sample or something? I don't know. The box is beautiful though. I feel like I honestly could have ordered an empty box for all this. Like the box I feel like is way more of an experience than the notebook. And look at how much smaller the notebook is compared to the box even. It does come with the card and everything else. Did I write a note to myself for this one? I don't think so. It's got the return policy and everything. And then my receipt. I do like their little insert. My receipt's here. Unlike all the other brands, they actually did list the price on here. I don't know if you can see that, but this little thing was $30 damn. Like, what the F? Apparently there's an Hermes in Bellevue. I did not know that, so whenever I have the money to get myself a Kelly or a Birkin, I know exactly where to go to beg for it. I will say that the overall packaging and everything is nice, but this particular item I don't feel is worth $30. However, had the notebook been the size of the box, then I probably would have been okay with it. Obviously, I'm not going to return it. You know, it'll be, I think, a cute novelty thing to have, but really, Hermes, do better and be better. Nice packaging and everything. This is definitely the first thing in the series where I'm definitely let down. There's a part of me that's like, look again and see what else I can get, but then also I'm like, yeah, $30 goes nowhere for Hermes. And that's saying something, especially considering some of the other really cool things we've been able to get on the series. But the saga continues, and yeah, I look forward to sharing more with you. There is another brand that kind of let me down as well. I'm not going to spoil it completely, but I did kind of have a bad run with another brand. And there are some other brands that are on the horizon that I'm just saving up for. Y'all know I'm not trying to go broke doing this. And some of the other stuff is a little pricier than I'm comfortable just throwing away. So yeah, that was the cheapest item that you could get from Hermes online. If you enjoyed this video, let me know down in the comments section below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell so you know every single time I post. And until next video, peace.